this is Ebony and I'm back for a hair review. So this review is about a hair company called Dhair Boutique. Look at the box. It's so nice, right? So pretty. I used to have a one like this, but it was pink. I like the pink one better, but this is cute. So this company is based out of Texas, and I purchased their hair before, but before I purchased the Burmese curly hair. Well, guys, this is the this is the C curly hair. So let me tell y'all something. When I bought the Dhair Boutique hair, right, I bought 16 and 18 inches for Burmese curly. I only bought 2 bundles because my head is really small. And I'm the type of person, like, I like my hair full, but when I bought the Burmese hair, the 2 bundles were like super full. So I thought, okay, you know what? This is a good company with, you know, good hair. So I'm gonna buy 2 bundles. But I did get 20 this time, so I should have bought 1 more. So I buy the hair, guys. Do y'all see this? Can you look at that? Do y'all see that? I'm not gonna say the hair is completely bad, but like you can even see the weft. I wish I could show you guys. Do I have a piece? No. The weft is even really thin. I mean, I literally think, you know, when I bought the hair, I was like, you know, it's not gonna be too bad. This hair feels so thin, like I'm not even playing. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm going to wet this hair and we hope to bring this back to life. Oh, all right guys, so I'm back. Got water out. So I stuck my head in. I stuck my head in the sink to make it just a little bit more. I wish I could wet this just a little bit more because I can't stand when it's not like all the way saturated, right? Okay, y'all. So I literally took out a slither of my hair. You can barely see. Okay. So the conditioner, the products that I'm gonna use, well, first things first, let's scratch that. First things first, you wanna wet your hair, and then I'm gonna show you the products that you're gonna use to wear this wet look. You first need conditioner. Leave-in conditioner is okay, but any conditioner that has like, that's deep penetrating, like anything like coconut oil, what's another one? Olive oil, shea butter, anything that's gonna like lock in moisture where, you know, like it stays. So this one I'm using Damage Remedy Coconut Oil Miracle, and you can get this at Walmart. And these things are really cheap. It's like $4. And then I use Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, right? Can you see that? Can you guys see? Okay. So I wet my hair, right? Saturate it. Usually I have a spray bottle, but I can't find it. So this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna put hella. Because y'all, I'm not even lying to y'all, this hair feels like paper thin, right? Like I understand that I got it longer and I should have got more bundles, but it wasn't my fault. I thought y'all was gonna have the same quality, you know? Like I thought y'all was gonna keep that same shit going, but no. Clearly, I had to, you know, watch my back, whatever. So I'm just gonna condition it. Condition it. Don't put too much though, because you don't want to have a film of conditioner. And then add water. Like when in doubt, add some water, sis. I know I'm making a hot ass mess on the floor. My mom's gonna kick my ass. So I kind of like condition the front of my hair too, because you want it to be looking all, wow, Ebony. You want it to be looking all sexy. So I just conditioned the front of my hair. I don't know, can you guys see that? You see how much I left out? Barely, right? Not a lot. So then once you finish conditioning it, right? It looks okay. It doesn't look too bad. It still looks really not up to par with me, but the Burmese curly is fire. But this one is okay. Like, I can honestly say the reason why I picked this hair is because I was on a budget. I'm not gonna lie. So it cost me about like $220 for this, and this is the 18 and 20 inch. So I'm probably gonna end up ordering another bundle. Probably gonna end up ordering another our soft jelly curlies. Gonna put it in the hair. I think I take about this much. It's so, I mean, it's so tacky that you could literally boom. Let me stop, because if I drop it on the floor, we gonna have some problems. Okay, so you just wanna, and it feels like you have silicone in your hands. I don't even know what silicone is, but I'm retarded. It feels like, it doesn't matter what it feels like, okay? Just put it in the hair, Ebony. They don't need to know what it feels like. They just need to know how much. So put that much in there. Just want to get it in there because you want this product, the jelly soft curls. It's gonna keep your hair looking like that wet style, but like really cute. So I love this hairstyle because I can flip it over and it looks sexy. Ooh, honey. That was hella loud, Ebony. So just kind of saturate it, get it all sexy. See, I didn't wet this side, and I'm just like, Ebony, like seriously, you gotta wet your leave out. I didn't wet my leave out because you want it to look sexy. Okay. All right, y'all. So then I'm gonna tell you guys about what I do with my leave out. Okay. God, look it. I just would recommend, I would just say get another bundle, like up to like here. I ain't gonna lie, these little stragglies, look at that. Oh, I guess it's, look at, I'm wasting water. My mom gonna kick my ass. Okay. So after you're done with that, right, it's time to focus on the leave out, right? It's time to focus on the leave out. So the leave out, I'm just gonna move it forward. I'm so thankful that my cousin did my hair and my little sister, because a bitch was lost without you. I cannot fucking sing. All right, so then for the front, you're gonna use setting lotion, which is a lot of body. Amen. Oh, and then you're gonna need rollers, right? You're gonna need rollers because you're going to set these on the rollers to give you that effect, right? So if I can, nigga, dude, it's stuck. Oh my God. Oh shit. Okay, took the pressure. Okay. So you're gonna take that and put it in the hair, right? I'm gonna take that and put it in the hair. And then you're gonna take a section. So the way that I do it is I take big sections. I need to wet my hair more because I need to like give it a curl look. I should have like really wet this, guys. I'm sorry. I kind of want it to spring back. And I take some of my soft jelly curls, if you guys saw me apply that. I took some of it, okay. And then I'm going to do this. I'm gonna open this. This is hard. It's not easy doing these little things, but I take big section because I don't want my curls to be hella little. So I set it on the base, right? And I wrap it, and as I wrap it, I'm twisting. You know when you do your wand curls and you're wrapping it on the on the wand, that's kind of the same situation you want to do for that. And then you're gonna leave it like that, right? And then you're gonna take this section. See, my sections are really wide because I don't want it to, you can even take some of the weave hair to section it. So like you take this and you just put it on there really good, right? And I take some of the jelly curls, like just cause the jelly curl is just gonna make it hold, you know? So it's gonna be that wet kind of look. You don't wanna put too much because you don't want it to get hard. You want it to be like enough to where it looks natural. I hate these things. Ah, okay, there we go. So I'm gonna do the same thing for this. See, I'm twisting, I'm rolling my wrists. I'm rolling my wrist and I'm rolling my wrist and I'm rolling my wrist, right? The end doesn't really matter because you've already, like, you can already re-wet that or whatever. So the trick of it is that you want to basically put the foam wrap on, wet your leave out, put the foam wrap on, and then after you put the foam wrap on, come on, Ebony. After you put the foam wrap on and you wrapped it, you want to take a little bit of the weave hair and just keep, we're gonna roll this sucker. Okay, roll it. Roll it, rolling on the river. I'm retarded. I'm getting sleepy, guys. I am, not gonna lie. I haven't taken a nap and I'm gonna leave soon. Boom. Okay? Don't worry about this part because you can fix that. Don't worry. So then you want to take out this part. Oh, I thought that was my hair, but that's not my hair. It actually feels a lot better.
You said they're kind of dark and very male energy. Whose are these? These are yours, honey?
Okay, so this is a lot. It's a lot of hair right here. But because it's just my front, it's hella weird how I laid all this to make it look hella cute, right? It's done, girl. So yeah, for the next day, and then when the next day comes, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do.
Good, so good inside.